Salut pour tous, soyez les bienvenus dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Ede Zanetti. We are talking about biochar. Biochar is one of the technologies which already have methodologies available at the 6.4 mechanism from the Paris Agreement to generate and attract fundings from carbon credits. We've been talking about the product, the origin of the raw material, the machinery. We talk about different types of machinery and the difference between the amount of carbon credits will be generated according with the machinery, the process you are using. We mentioned that machinery that has low cost will produce a carbon with a biochar with low carbon content, and the high cost machinery produces a biochar with high level of high quantity of carbon credits. So for the low productive 1.8 tons per ton of biochar, for the high productive 2.5 tons of CO2 carbon credits per ton of biochar. And the cost of this product is ranging globally between $1,500 and $2,500 US, with a tendency to stabilize those prices in the next 3 to 4 years, 3 to 5 years, around $500 US per ton of biochar. The carbon credit of this biochar is being sold today between $50 and $200 US per ton, depending on the country you are implementing the technology. And you apply it to the soils differently depending on the soil characteristics and the culture you are dealing with. For example, coffee plantations, you do it on the lines, and this will demand 2 to 3 tons per hectare. If you are talking about soybeans or grains cultivation, we can have something around 8 tons of biochar applied per hectare of soils. So with this, you will have a reduction of up to 30-35% on NPK, and eventually you will eliminate gypsum, and you have an increase in productivity on the same level, so something around 30-35% of productivity increase. Let's keep talking about biochar. Let God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Ede Zanetti, Fortuna Exame Africano.